So, you want to build a machine learning model from raw data all the way to real world deployment? In this video, I'm walking you through the entire ML journey. No fluff, no filler, just the exact steps the pros follow. Let's go. So, let's start here. Data. The boring part, people skip. But I'm telling you right now, this is where 80% of your success comes from. Import data from reliable sources. Whether it's a CSV, a database, an API, it all starts with getting good, clean input, clean it up. Missing values, duplicates, weird outliers. Yeah, that stuff will mess you up later. Split into trained test sets, usually 80-20 or 70-30 split. Just don't peek into your test set too early. That's like cheating on an open book exam. Now comes the fun part, modeling. This is where the machine starts to learn. Start simple. Don't jump to neural networks right away. Try logistic regression or decision trees first. They're fast and explainable. Train your model, feed it data, let it learn. It's like giving your model hundreds of examples until it starts recognizing patterns. Evaluate results. Don't just look at accuracy. We're going to fix that in a minute. So you've got your data. Now, what algorithm do you use? Depends on the task. Let's start with algorithm and their use case. Linear regression, predict prices or trends. Decision trees, classification with clarity, neural networks. Complex, layered logic, ensemble methods. Boost performance. In case you're wondering, yes, you can try them all. Compare results. Let the data choose the winner. Now, let's train this bad boy. You've picked your model, time to optimize. Hyperparameter tuning. This is like tweaking the settings in a video game. Small changes equals big performance gains. Cross-validation. It helps make sure your model isn't just memorizing. Think of it like testing on different levels to make sure it's really learning. Let's talk about evaluation, because accuracy alone can lie. Use a confusion matrix. This chart shows true positives, false positives, and all the stuff accuracy hides. Use real metrics. Precision, how often your model is right. Recall, how well your model catches what matters. F1 score, the balance between them. In case your model looks great but fails where it counts, these metrics will tell the truth. Now, here's where most tutorials stop, but not this one. Move from development to production. You've tested it, now launch it. Use Flask, Fast API, Streamlit, or deploy to the cloud. Set up infrastructure. Docker, AWS, Azure, whatever works for your team. Just make sure it scales. Monitoring tools. Don't launch and ghost. Set up logging and alerts. Trust me, future, you will thank you. Here's what no one talks about. Models get worse over time. This is called model decay. Monitor performance. Track accuracy weekly, not just once. Detect drift. If data distribution changes, your model's guesses will slowly go off track. Retrain regularly. The best models are the ones that evolve. And hey, we can't end this without talking ethics, because a powerful model can still be dangerous. Bias detection. Check if your model treats everyone fairly, gender, age, race, all of it. Transparency. Can you explain what your model is doing? If not, you might be in trouble. Accountability. Who's responsible if the model makes a bad call? Plan this before you deploy. So now you've got the full ML journey from raw data to real world results. If this helped, smash that like sub for the next AI video and share it with a fellow data warrior.